Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for School Morning Assembly. India recorded 2,503 fresh COVID 19 cases in 24 hours. After big win in Punjab, BJP Congress leaders from Haryana join up. India urges immediate end to all hostilities in Ukraine at UNSC meet. Delhi recorded its highest maximum temperature of the season at 33 degrees Celsius on Monday. 21.5 million people in tourism sector lost their jobs in the second wave. And now some international news. China's COVID spike, zero COVID approach fails, lockdowns grow, worse likely. US raises deep concern over China's alignment with Russia. Russian invasion may plunge Ukraine into devastating recession, IMF. World Bank approves $200 million in additional funding for Ukraine. World Court verdict in Ukraine versus Russia case on Wednesday. And now some sports news. F1 star Lewis Hamilton to change name to honor mother. Serbia and Australia replace Russia in Davis Cup and Billie Jean King Cup. West Indies dogged World Test Championship points, dropped below Bangladesh to 8th place. Women's World Cup update. Australia won their third consecutive game in the ongoing Women's World Cup. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.